Looking for a tool that makes tightening and loosening bolts fast and effortless? Power impact wrenches deliver high torque with minimal effort, making them essential for mechanics, DIYers, and anyone tackling heavy-duty projects. In this guide, we've rounded up the best power impact wrenches that combine performance, durability, and ease of use for every job. Starting at number 1, Porter Cable Impact Wrench. The Porter Cable 20V Max Impact Wrench delivers reliable power and performance for both DIY enthusiasts and professional users. Equipped with a powerful motor that produces up to 260 lbs of torque, this wrench easily handles heavy-duty fastening and removal tasks. With a top speed of 1,650 RPM, it drives large fasteners quickly, saving you time on tough jobs. Number 2, Makita XWT08Z Impact Wrench. The Makita XWT08Z 18V LX Tier Brushless Cordless High Torque 100 Impact Wrench is a powerhouse designed for heavy-duty fastening and loosening tasks in automotive, industrial, and construction settings. Its BLTM brushless motor delivers up to 740 lbs of fastening torque and 1,180 lbs of nut-busting torque, providing exceptional power for even the toughest jobs. A 3-speed power selection switch allows precise control over torque and speed, while the 1/2" friction ring anvil ensures quick and secure socket changes. The efficient brushless design optimizes battery use, offering longer runtime per charge and cooler operation for extended tool life. Compact and ergonomic, the XWT08Z makes demanding work easier and more comfortable, making it a top choice for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Number 3, DEWALT DCK205P1 Impact Wrench. The DEWALT 20V Max Impact Wrench Cordless 2-Tool Combo Kit DCK205P1 is a versatile and powerful brushless cordless set that includes a 1/2" mid-range impact wrench and a 3/08" compact impact wrench, making it ideal for a wide range of fastening tasks around the workshop, garage, or job site. The mid-range 1/2" wrench delivers up to 330 lbs of fastening torque with efficient brushless performance and precision wrench TM control to help prevent over-tightening, while the compact 3/08" model provides up to 150 lbs of torque in a lightweight package for tight spaces. Both tools are powered by a 20V Max XR 5.0 8 battery and come with an 8-amp fast charger, offering longer runtime and quicker recharge. With ergonomic grips, onboard LED work lights, and the reliability DEWALT is known for, this combo kit gives you 2 essential impact wrenches with power and convenience in one package. Number 4, HYCHIKA 18V Max Impact Wrench. The HYCHIKA 18V Max Cordless Impact Wrench is a budget-friendly yet capable power tool designed for automotive and general fastening tasks, including tire removal and loosening stubborn bolts. It delivers a maximum torque of up to 350 Nm and a high impact frequency of up to 3,000 IPM, giving it enough power to tackle lug nuts, bolts, and other fasteners with ease. The wrench comes with a 4,000 mAh lithium-ion battery and a fast charger for longer runtime and quick recharges, while the 1/2" metal ratcheting chuck ensures strong socket retention and broad accessory compatibility. Its ergonomic design features a rubberized grip and built-in LED light for better control and visibility in tight or low light work areas, and the included socket set makes it ready for common automotive jobs right out of the box. Number 5, DIYtoolifz Impact Wrench. The DIYtoolifz Cordless Impact Wrench 1/2 is a high-torque, brushless impact gun designed for everyday automotive and light to medium fastening tasks, and it works with DEWALT 20V Max batteries, battery not included, for cordless convenience. Built to deliver up to 1,030 lbs of loosening torque and strong tightening performance, it's suitable for car and mower tire changes, home projects, and general maintenance. The tool features a 1/2" hog ring anvil for quick, secure socket changes and variable speed control with multiple forward and reverse modes for precise power delivery. Its ergonomic design includes a built-in LED work light to illuminate dim work areas and an efficient brushless motor for longer runtimes compared with traditional brushed models. While this is sold as a bare tool only, pairing it with a DEWALT 4A or higher battery helps maximize performance and versatility around the workshop or garage.